Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to open demo account on MetaTrader 5 in PC. So if you also want to open demo account on MetaTrader 5 in PC, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So opening a demo account on MetaTrader 5 in PC is actually very simple. If you open the demo account for MetaTrader 5, you'll be able to experience the trading without risking anything. So in order to open the demo account, for that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open MetaTrader 5 application. You'll be able to download this application from the official website of MetaTrader 5. Now, after you open the MetaTrader 5 application, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now, over here, you'll be able to find several options. At top, you'll be able to find the option for File, View, Insert, Charts, Tools, Window, and Help. Simply click on the File option that you can see at the first. Now, after that, you'll be able to find several options over here. Over here, what you have to do is find the option for Open an Account. Once you find that option, simply click on it. Now after that, you can see over here, this kind of pop-up will appear. You'll be able to see the list of companies over here. You can also find your company if you want. If you want to find your company, simply click on the option Find Your Company after entering the new company name. Now after that, what you have to do is click on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll be able to find several options. Open a demo account to trade virtual money without risk. Open a real account for live trading. Connect with an existing trade account. If you already have the trade account, simply enter your login and password. After that, you'll be able to log into your account. But in order to open a demo account, make sure first option is selected. Open a demo account to trade virtual money without risk. A demo account allows you to learn trading on stock exchanges and test your strategy. While doing that, you do not risk anything as you use pure virtual money. Now, after you select this option, what you have to do is click on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now, after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to open a demo account. All you have to do is enter this information that you can see right over here in this interface. First of all, enter your first name. After that, enter your second name. Now after that, you'll also have to enter the date of birth over here. Make sure to select the date of birth. First of all, enter the month. After that, enter the day. After that, also enter the year. Now after that, you'll have to provide your email address over here. Simply enter your email address. Now after that, what you have to do is enter your phone number. Simply enter your phone number over here. Make sure to select the country code as well. Simply click on the option of country code. After that, you'll be able to see several countries over here. After that, click on the country of your choice. Now after that, what you have to do is enter your phone number over here. Simply enter your phone number. Now after that, if you want to use the haze in trading, simply check on this box that you can see right over here. Now after that, what you have to do is select the server. Simply click on the option of your server and select the server. Also select the account type. You'll be able to find several options over here. Simply click on the option of your choice. Also, you'll be able to select the deposit over here. Also, you'll be able to select the leverage. After that, what you have to do is check on this box. I agree with the terms and conditions for opening an account and the data protection policy. Now after that, what you have to do is click on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you can see over here, your account has been opened. Now simply click on the finish option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you can see over here, your demo account on MetaTrader has been opened. So that is how you open demo account in MetaTrader 5. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.